Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Air Force One Carabiner Swoosh, and that is in a white, black pomegranate. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Purchase links for these in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a white on white outsole, white on white midsole stitch, Nike Air, and then we come to this upper. So this upper is composed of a pretty standard smooth grain leather, and that's all in white. We start from around the toe. You'll see that smooth grain leather around the toe and on the toe box. Going up the shoe, you'll see white leather again re-emerge on the eye stay, and we have a sort of orange-ish dubré, very nice. We also have white laces, decent thickness. I would prefer a little thicker, and this conceals a black ripstop tongue. At the top of this tongue, you shall see a metallic kind of tongue tab, very nice, and that's in red with the black Nike Air. Also, a lovely feature of this tongue is that there is a zip on the top of the tongue so you can put things in. Leave a comment below of what you shall be concealing in this hidden compartment. If we go to the mid portion of the shoe, again we've got a white leather panel, and we've got the main event of this particular pair, the Carabiner Swoosh. So the Carabiner is a metal little piece right here, and as you can see, it is held on by these little elastic ropes, you could call it. The Carabiner Swoosh itself is made out of metal. It clips on and you can remove it. So just so you know, you can remove this. As you can see, you can turn it around, you can actually use it. On it, it is written Nike AF1 82 Swoosh, and on the reverse it says 1 kg, so this can support 1 kg. So the swoosh is on the lateral side. As you can see on this foot, on the medial side, there is no carabiner. So you only have just the black leather swoosh. Lateral, you've got the carabiner. So 2 carabiners per pair. If we go to the heel now, you'll see the black leather heel with the white Nike Air. Going inside the shoe now, we've got a white sock liner and we've got a white Nike Air on a black insole. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, I'm not too mad at it. I do like the odd gimmick now and again, and this one does tick the box of that. The Carabiner Swoosh, the quality of it is like a frosted kind of metal, similar to the dubré. I think it's called, is it adonized? Adonized material, maybe? Metal? Adonized metal? But yeah, I do like the quality of it. The color of it is very nice, that pomegranate. As I said, I do like a gimmick now and again. I think this one works well. I don't particularly want to see many colorways of this. I just think this looks cool as it is. It's something different, something nice, maybe something to keep up, and then, you know, a few years later you wear them and people are like, oh my days, what are these? Carabiners. You got a carabiner on your shoe, you know. It's something different. For me, I give these a 7.5 out of 10. As I said, I do like the odd gimmick now and again. It's something different. Let me know what you think of these. Do you like these? Do you think it's a bit excessive, a bit silly? Not going for them? I understand. Remember, purchase links for these in the description. These are available worldwide. Thank you to everybody for saying happy birthday to me. I've been so busy, I'm unable to reply to everybody, but thank you so much. Purchase links for these in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. Thanks for subscribing as well. Always appreciated. I've been Schopes, signing out. See ya!